Hello, welcome to this tutorial where we look at how to add an online class. We start by turn editing on, then scroll. I prefer to put at the top. Click on add an activity or resource. Choose Google Meet or Moodle. Click on it. Once you click on it, give the room a name, which I will type, and then give it a description. For example, always join this room for our online classes. Once done, click on display description on course page, scroll down, then choose the date. When does it happen? Which is 5th of September 2024 from this time, for example, from this time to 5, from 3 to 5. Then you can choose if it should be recurrent or repetitive on a particular day of the week at that same time. And for example, I would say until the end of the year, which should be December, maybe 10th, that's when we stop teaching, 10th, 2024. But if not, I can remove this and then proceed to add the time within which students should be notified, say 20 minutes before the class, and that is all. Then I click on save and return to course. So once I do that, I can turn off editing, and then I'll find my online class right here. The students are able to see it on their side, and you are able to see it as well. Click on it to enter the room. I'll click on it, and then I have this whole page, but I'm interested in going into the classroom. I click on enter, which takes me to the next page where I'm supposed to specify. I've turned off the microphone and I've turned off the video, but remember it is showing my personal email up here. I'll click on switch account so that I'm able to choose my KABVILE email. So from the emails that I see, I'll choose my KABVILE email. I'll choose my KABVILE email. I will my microphone off and video, and then join the class. Once I join the class, you realize down here that the microphone is off, the video is off. So when I'm ready to start teaching, I'll remember turn off the mic. Okay, you turn it on so that you're able to speak. If necessary, you can as well turn on the video, but I will turn it off for this recording. Then I will need to present to my students by clicking on present now. Remember, you have to present a document that you had already opened earlier. When I click here, I'll get this pop-up that has a drop-down. When I click on the drop-down, I can see an open document that I want to present to my students. I'll click on it and choose allow. This document could be a PowerPoint, could be any other document, but I'm using this for demonstration purposes. So my students are able to see this, since I can see here it says stop sharing. I'm sharing this with my students. Once we are done going through the presentation of the day, I'll click on stop sharing, and I come back to this screen where I'm able to see the students on the call here. I'm able to see the messages they are sending, and I'm able to see those with their hands up through this window here, and they should be able to contribute to the teaching of the day, and I'm able to respond to them. And at the end of the day, you click on this button here that says leave call. So you click on leave call, this is ended. Thank you very much. We go back now to the post page here, and we are done for the day. Thank you.